So I know they have a geo fence around our yard, so that restricts it to 10 miles an hour on the yard. You don't have to worry about getting speeding tickets, because no matter what road you get on, it might take it a second, but it will automatically restrict to the posted speed limit. So if you're coming off the interstate, and no matter how much of a hurry you're in, maybe you miss with the speed limit sign, well then the truck's gonna restrict it for you. So I can see the effectiveness of reducing speeding tickets, getting a better CSA score for the company. Also, it restricts for the low overpass, which is absolutely awesome. It's going to start slowing you down at, I believe it's 10 mile an hour increments, until the point where it's going to bring you to a stop. You're not going to hit that bridge. I mean, I've already heard it's already saved us several trailers already. So you combine that with the other safety items like the safe following distance, it'll notify you when you're too close to another vehicle. You start adding all those factors together, there's no reason why you should have a speeding ticket or an accident that is your fault. You'll notice the restriction the moment you pull on. It immediately, no matter how hard you push on the pedal, it will not allow it to go above the speed limit. So, but the moment your wheels come through the geo fence, it restricts it, keeps you at whatever the posted speed that they have that yard posted at. Honestly, you really can't tell a difference, because I mean I can push it to the floor right now and it's still not going to allow me to accelerate more than the posted speed limit they have. So, especially in a parking lot like this, maybe you got children running around, don't want to be flying through here. You might kid run out behind a car, just asking for injury or lawsuit. So it protects the driver, protects the company, and protects the public. And the moment you pull off of it, it releases that restriction and you're able to go back to whatever the posted speed limit is. There's no hindrance at all. It just keeps you safe and keeps you legal. Because there's many times you're just driving along and you miss a speed limit sign. So like if I didn't see this 45 one, maybe I was preoccupied, traffic or what have you, and there'd be a police officer up ahead, well, that's going to restrict me and I'm not going to get a ticket. So that's one, you still want to pay attention, but it's one less thing you have to worry about. So like right now, it takes it a few seconds after you pass it, but then it'll pick up and give you your accelerator back. I see nothing but benefits from it, to be honest with you. It was just, around local. Like I said, I can tell when I'm taking it to a shop across town that whenever you come off that 65 mile an hour interstate onto a residential street that's 35, like I said, it's going to save you from possible ticket, fines, probably losing your job. But I know y'all's geofence is spot on, because the moment we go through that gate is when it reads where you're at and it automatically restricts it. So, I mean, it's very on the spot. Here we are at 10 mile an hour again. So there's no question of, oh, I wonder what the speed limit is here. You know what the speed limit is here.